Hey YouTube, how you guys doing today? Kevin here coming at you. I'm at the Andy Blacksmith Ride for Life. This is that organ donation right here. And I just figured I'd do a video and show you guys all the awesome bikes. Look at this stuff, guys. Some of these paint jobs are really cool. Got people from all over the place. This is for Andy Blacksmith, the on-air personality in Rock 101, who had passed away waiting for a, what do you call it, their heart transplant. So this is why we do it. Look at all these beautiful bikes, huh? Here's my bike right here. My Yamaha Virago in the lineup. And this is my brother Clay's bike right here. He's got a Springer. Pretty sweet, huh? There's all kinds of bikes. Some American flags. I'll show you guys a really cool bike. There we go, right here. Check out this bike, guys, huh? Captain America bike. Really, really cool. You'll walk around, scope out some of these bikes from all over the place. Hundreds and hundreds of bikes. I'm just gonna be quiet and just keep walking, okay, guys? Ton of bikes, ton of them, all sizes, all colors. Couple slingshot Polaris's. Oh. Hey guys, this gentleman right here's got his headlight on. I don't know if you guys, I don't want to touch anybody's bike. Cool. All right. Very nice. Second one is seen on. Billy! Say hi, Billy!
Did you find mine?
Nope, I didn't find yours. Where'd you park yours?
Right here somewhere.
It's in the pile of bikes.
Yeah, as long as they didn't go.
Yeah, I know, right? Oh, coming through. More bikes coming through. They're still pouring in, guys. Still pouring in. A lot of bikes. A lot of bikes.
When you start
A lot of bikes. It's gonna be like this until about 11:30. It's early now. It's like 9:40. Right around there, a.m. Bikes are gonna be pouring in like crazy now. Now we're at Seacoast Cycle, and we have a Seabrook, or yeah, Seabrook or Northampton. I don't remember which. Pretty bad when you don't know what town you're in. Just walk through the place. People everywhere. Got tent sales, all kinds of cool stuff. People eating. They're gonna have live music later on. All kinds of stuff. I'm not gonna be able to show all that though. Free boot shine. Little cigar. Tents, Dunkin' Donuts. Put on by iHeartRadio. Rock 101 or 103 WHEB. Just absolutely craziness here. Porta potties, traffic cones. Talk about thorough video, huh? All right, so we'll go over here. The radio station, they put this on every year, and this is the 3rd annual Andy Blacksmith Ride for Life. From Greg in the Morning Buzz. Pretty cool. How you doing? You can really see how big. I'm standing out in the parking lot. This place is absolutely huge. Huge. There you go, Donald Trump. There you go. Huge. Absolutely huge. That's all I got, guys, for the Trump. This place is absolutely huge. All right. I had to shrink you guys back down. Hey, Billy, hey, Billy.
How far out are you guys?
We're on the back, the end, the first row.
Where
About
Captain America is?
Yeah, we're about maybe 6 or 7 bikes in back of Captain America.
Nice.
On the right.
Nice.
Yeah, he was here when we got here. So, just doing
Great. Have fun.
You too. So anyway, guys, that's all I have for you. It's gonna be a real short video, but I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys enjoy this video. You see how many bikes? The bikes are still coming in. It's absolutely crazy. They're gonna fill this entire parking lot. It's gonna be like over 1,000 bikes. It's crazy. Well, anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.